How to fix Instagram invalid parameter error. What's up everyone? In today's video, I'm going to be telling you guys how to fix if you're facing the invalid parameter error on Instagram. But before we begin, make sure to head down below to give this video a quick like and subscribe to our channel. On that note, let's begin. So the very first thing that you want to do is make sure that you have a stable internet connection. And if you are using a Wi-Fi network, try switching to mobile data. And if you're using mobile data, try switching to Wi-Fi network. And after that, most of the times your problem should be solved. But if it still doesn't fixes your problem, then first of all, open up your phone settings, scroll all the way down until you see your app settings, tap on it. Now here you will see the list of all of your apps on your phone and make sure to find Instagram here. So scroll all the way to the bottom until you see Instagram, just tap on it. And once you tap on Instagram, the first thing you want to do is clear its cache. So head over to stories, and as you can see here is quite a lot of amount of cache on my phone. I'm just going to clear it now. Once you clear your cache, you just have to go back and restart your device. And if that still doesn't work, then tap on permissions and make sure to allow all of these required permissions as the app requires these to run smoothly. And finally, head over to battery and make sure it's on unrestricted or optimized. And after doing that, just give your phone a quick restart like this, and then you should be good to go. I hope you found it helpful. If so, hit like, share, and subscribe. I will see you on the next one.